Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here for this reading we will be doing this question statement. Complete the summary with the help of these help box. Yes. So what I have written, can you see this? Read the instructions carefully, because when I was doing it for another channel in Hindi, so that time what had happened with me? So I did not read the instructions carefully because they have given something like that. See this. We usually see complete the summary with complete the summary means fill in the blanks, and they have given some help box, so straight away we will start finding the keywords and all. But don't ignore the instructions I am telling you, otherwise you will not get answer. What I did, so I will tell you. I straight away just read this complete the summary. No words were given, so I just saw list of words they have given. So I started looking for these keywords. In every paragraph I tried to find from first A paragraph, but I couldn't. Then I realized they have given section E and F. So complete the summary of section E and F means we have to look only for E and F paragraph, not other paragraphs. So it's important, just look at the instructions carefully. That's more important. Now, how to do these kinds of questions where they have given help box. This is help box and these are the questions. Okay. So for this reading, we have already done list of heading in previous video. You can just watch it. I have just explained everything. See this, all list of headings we have done it. So I am just doing it separately. That's why you should come to know how to just how to just solve all these different type of reading questions. Okay, now we have read instructions. Now coming to the main point, you can read the phonics method, the whole word method, the whole language, traditionalist, progressive, linguistic, research studies. Okay, now read it. In the teaching community, okay, comma, dash, question the usefulness of research into methods of teaching reading. Okay, so let's find it. Definitely you will not get the same words. You can get paraphrasing kind of things. Now this is my E paragraph. Okay, because they have given section E and F, so definitely they will start from E paragraph. In the teaching community, question the usefulness of research methods into teaching reading. Okay, so if researchers are so convinced about the need for phonics instruction, why does the debate continue? Because the controversy is this: philosophical difference or approaches differences have divided educators for years. Okay, the progressive challenge the results. Okay, means challenge the results of laboratory tests, research into methods of teaching reading. Okay, it means progressive, they challenge the results, they challenge the means they question the usefulness of. So progressive, so what we can get, so here it is given progressives. Okay, so here we will just put the answer E in front of 11th answer. Okay, now coming to next question, that is 12th. These critics believe that is incompatible with student-centered learning. Okay, now student-centered learning, these critics. Okay, yeah, student-centered learned word is here. See this word. Okay, the challenge the results of laboratory tests and classroom studies on the basis of a broad philosophical skepticism means criticism about the values of such research. This line though we have already found. Now critics believe that they champion student-centered learned and teacher empowerment. Sadly they fail to realize, okay, they believe that, sadly they fail to realize that these very admirable educational values are equally consistent with the teaching of phonics. Okay, they believe that is incompatible with student learned skepticism of the value of research. What is teacher empowerment? Sadly they fail to realize these okay, with the teaching of phonics is given. Okay, in that, okay, 12th we are looking. These critics believe that is incompatible. Okay, so nothing I can match it, but yes, they have given with the teaching of phonics. See this word. Student-centered learning word is here. Okay, is incompatible. These critics believe that. What they believe? Fail to realize, means they did not, they fail to realize that these very admirable educational values are equally consistent with the teaching of phonics. So phonics word, phonic method is given, so we will just write here A number. Now 13th number. In that future, teachers need to be aware of dash so that they understand the importance of phonics. Now phonics we have already used. Now what they need to understand in future. Okay, so E paragraph is done. Now coming to F paragraph, we will read it like that. If School of Education insisted that would-be reading teachers learn something about the vast research in linguistics and psychology that bears on reading, their graduates would be more eager to use phonics. So phonic word is here, importance of phonics so that they understand. Need to be aware. So if they are talking, would be means for future, that would be reading teachers. Okay, teachers, they are talking about teachers. In future, teachers learn something about the vast research in linguistics and psychology that bears on reading. Their graduate would be more eager to use phonic and would be prepared to do so effectively. Reading for pleasure. Okay, need to be aware of dash so that their importance of effectively means importance, phonics they are using it. So what we can use? So vast research, learn something about vast research. See this, teachers need to be aware of. So let's read it vast. So research studies, we can just put it G. So I will just put it here G number. Okay, coming to 14th number, so that they understand. Okay, they should not however ignore the ideas of dash which make reading enjoyable for learners. Okay, enjoyable for learners. So enjoyable means fun. Using language, see this, whole language activities to supplement phonics instruction certainly helps to make reading fun and meaningful for children. So they should not however ignore the ideas of dash. Okay, this we have got. See this, we have got this also for learners means making fun and meaningful. It means answer is whole language activities, we can use it, because yeah, they should not however ignore the ideas. They could allow their pupils to apply the principle of reading for pleasure. Yeah, pleasure is also given. See this, using whole activities to supplement phonics. Yeah, so I will just put, yeah, it is given. Whole language method is given, so we will just write here C number. So this is complete the summary using help box kind of some questions were there.